Strengthening their presence, Tourism Indonesia hosted a networking event for its travel trade partners.
We got a very good gathering with our partners, with our colleagues who are dealing with the tourism industry, especially on diving.
This is kind of like a new opportunity for people from the Middle East to see, to explore, to experience the beauty, the biodiversity of the Indonesian underwater scenery.
Majid Al Futtaim gears up to revamp City Centre Deira.
We are going towards a big enhancement. We're investing around 377 million dirhams. Most of the visitors, the tourists are from the GCC because it's very close to their hearts and it takes them back to the memories. So they like to come to Dubai and visit the center on a regular basis.
Sabre Red Workspace offers innovative solutions to booking challenges. You'll find full flight information on a single screen, which means you'll have the advantages you need to easily give your clients less of this and more of this. Upgrade to the new Sabre Red Workspace. Travel solved.
In order to explore new destinations for the summer of 2019, Rais Travel hosted a 3-day event for its partners.
We are happy to say that it's the 10th year. We are running very successfully since last 10 years with all participants from tourism boards.
We are here launching our German Summer Cities campaign and we are very happy with the outcome. We're here to engage with the UAE local traveling community.
We are partner of Al Rais for many years already. They have a very good base of customer here in the UAE and very good reputation. So we wanted to raise the awareness of LAX, this beautiful region in Switzerland.
Millennium Hotels and Resorts opens the Millennium Atria Business Bay to serve a growing hospitality and tourism sector, especially the Expo 2020 visitor traffic.